Hey Alex, this is a quick demo video for you for your Ultrasabers right here. Just got it done. Actually had it done initially last night. Didn't like the fit of the chassis. Took everything out. Just did a whole new chassis and redid everything this morning, and then weathered it like you wanted. We went with like an old relic from the old Republic type of look here, with just a hint of bronze up top. But mainly this thing just looks like it's been from one end to the other, right? So that's the outside. You've got a 1-button setup right, which is right here. I gave you a brand new switch, took out the old Ultrasabers switch, and actually have it still right here. This was how much glue was holding on your old switch. That's a lot of glue, man. So got that out of there. New switch. All right, neopixel setup. So you got your 7-pin connector in there. That's not going to go anywhere. This thing unscrews from 2 different places. First place it unscrews is right here. You'll never have to unscrew it from here. So I didn't lock it up on you, but I did tighten it up as tight as I could. You know, there's no need for you to get into this part. The other part is your pommel cap. So this is the part where you'll be going in and out of the Saber. You take this pommel cap off. You got your speaker right there in your chassis. All you got to do is just slide it a little bit. It comes out just like that. And then you have a removable battery system. So that spring part right there, that's going to be your negative side. And then you got a CFX right here. Board side is down, but that board is just a press fit in. So you could pop it up and get to your SD card anytime you needed to. So we're going to throw a battery in here real quick.
I see through the lies of the Jedi.
Put that battery in there, and all you got to do is just slide that guy right here. Now you can keep it right here, right at the very end, and then as you screw your pommel cap on, it will actually push up against the wall of the chassis and put that thing back where it needs to be. So activation. Now I have a test blade right here. It takes a 1-inch diameter test blade, or it takes a 1-inch diameter blade. This is my test blade. So, you know, see when I put it down there, you got about that much room. So you got plenty of blade depth. And then your blade retention screw is right here. So we'll slide this blade all the way in, then tighten up this blade retention screw. Now I'll turn this light off. So, activation.
I see through the lies of the Jedi.
It'll wake up the board if you don't do anything for too long, but... Flash on flash works. Tap for your blaster deflex. Now if you hold down this button and hit this blade at the same time, you'll get blade lock up. To change color when the blade is on, hold down the button and twist your wrist.
Spectrum.
Now you can twist the hilt to get different blade colors. Every time you hear it click, it should be clicking to a different color. So when we stop on blue and tap the button, that picks your color. Do a long hold on this button to turn it off, but then when you turn it back on, it's going to remember that blade color on that sound font. All right? Now to change blade effects when you've got this on, I gave you about 22 to choose from. Hold down the button and twist your wrist, but keep the button held down until you hear this.
Spectrum. Blade profile.
Now let go. Now every time you hear a click, it's going to be a different blade effect. There's a bunch of them on here to choose from. Just pick one you like and then tap the button, just like that. Now, when you turn it back on, it'll remember that particular blade effect and color.
Spectrum. Blade profiles.
We're gonna set it to a solid one, or something really close. So that's how you do everything when the blade is on. Now to get to your sound fonts when the blade is off, I'm just going to take this blade out real quick. To get to everything when the blade is off, you're going to want to just hold down the button when it's off.
Sound bank selection.
Anger and your lust for power.
Now you're going to just cycle through with this. I put my Britney sound phone on here for you, but I'll let you play with that at home.
Youngling.
This is General.
Crystal phone. Audio player. SD card system menu. Exit menu.
Anger and your
When you find one you like, hold the button down.
Darth Vader.
And there you go. And then some of these soundtracks that you buy aftermarket and put on your sound card will have, some of these fonts will have soundtracks. So you can hold the button until you hear it.
Darth Vader.
Hang on.
Sound bank selection.
This is
Let's get back to the beginning.
Audio. SD system exit menu.
anger and your lust. I see through the lies of the Jedi.
So you can long press until you hear it play and then let go. And that turns it on. Or you can just double tap to turn it on or off. Just like that. Either one of those work. But anyway, sir, that is your HILP NeoPixel setup, CFX. Hope it came out the way you liked. I will get it out to you in the mail, try to this afternoon. Thanks.